This is a standard room at the Coral Sea Aqua Club, so we haven't stayed in one of these because this is our friend's one. It's 5115. And you've got cupboards. Oh, I assume there's nothing in any of these cupboards anymore, is there? So you've got all the cupboard space there. You've got more shelves and a safe again there. And more hanging space there. You've got the bathroom. Oh, walk-in shower. Sink. I like a walk-in shower.
A toilet, kind of in.
They do have a toilet, don't they? Then we've got beds for 3 people. And then this one goes straight out to the pool with a little balcony. Oh, sorry, Harvey. You got me. And then we've got TV, drawers, drinks. Anything else we got, Harvey?
And that.
Oh, is that the man from the box? Tea. Everything. Oh, hey.